Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: keto snacks for those busy days when you're constantly on the go. We understand that finding nourishing options can be a challenge, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing some delicious and satisfying keto snacks that are perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. Before we start, if you want information about keto, read the description down below. Now get ready to fuel your body with wholesome ingredients and enjoy convenient snacking. Snacks for energy and satiety. When you're out and about, it's essential to have snacks that provide lasting energy and keep you feeling satisfied. We've handpicked some nourishing options that are low in carbs and high in healthy fats and protein. Let's start with portable cheese and nut packs. They're convenient, delicious, and packed with nutrients. You can also try crispy kale chips, a crunchy and flavorful snack that's perfect for munching on the go. And don't forget about satisfying beef jerky, which is high in protein and can keep hunger at bay. These snacks will keep you fueled and focused throughout the day. Easy homemade snack ideas. Why rely on store-bought snacks when you can whip up your own delicious treats at home? We'll be sharing some easy and tasty homemade snack ideas that are perfect for busy individuals like yourself. Let's start with savory fat bombs. These little bites are packed with healthy fats and can be customized with various flavors and ingredients. Next up, we have homemade granola bars made with nuts, seeds, and a touch of keto-friendly sweetener. And if you're looking for a crispy and satisfying snack, try making crispy roasted chickpeas. They're a great alternative to carb-laden chips. Get creative in the kitchen and have fun experimenting with flavors. Quick grab-and-go options. Sometimes, you need snacks that you can simply grab and enjoy on the spot. We've got you covered with some quick grab-and-go options that require no preparation. Consider keeping convenient keto snack bars in your bag. They come in a variety of flavors and are packed with keto-friendly ingredients. Another option is single-serve nut butter packets. They're portable and provide a quick source of healthy fats. And for a savory snack, ready-to-eat olives are a fantastic choice. They're full of flavor and provide a satisfying salty fix. With these quick options, you'll always have something within reach to satisfy your hunger and keep you on track with your keto lifestyle. Sweet and savory snack combos. Variety is the spice of life, right? We'll be showcasing some delicious sweet and savory snack combinations that will take your taste buds on a flavor adventure. Imagine enjoying a combination of crunchy pork rinds dipped in creamy avocado dip. It's the perfect balance of textures and flavors. Or how about indulging in a satisfying blend of dark chocolate and almonds? The rich, velvety chocolate pairs perfectly with the crunch of the almonds. These combinations will not only satisfy your cravings but also provide a delightful snacking experience. Remember, staying on track with your keto lifestyle doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or convenience. With these snack ideas, you can nourish your body and enjoy delicious treats wherever your busy life takes you. We hope you found this video helpful and will enjoy the snack ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouthwatering recipes and helpful tips to support your keto journey. Keep snacking smart and stay energized on your on-the-go adventures. If you want more keto information, watch the next video on the right. Know that you have the power to make positive changes in your life. Embrace the keto lifestyle, prioritize your health, and get ready to thrive in your journey to become a better you. We believe in you. Until next time, take care and keep shining.